In ArtiosCAD 7.7 we added support for Reboard. In this 3D view you will see some V-notch creases and V-notch cuts. This is what we need to produce them on a sample table. How do we do this? If I go back to the ARD file, we see some normal creases that we used initially. I will change them into some new line types that we added to the special rule category. Here you will see V-notch creases and V-notch cuts. In this example, we see there are a few different degrees possible. I will take the 45-degree angle. I'll do the same for the cut lines. Select them, go into my rule types, and I say this is a 45-degree V-notch cut. Notice that here in the third panel I added some partial cuts. You will notice in 3D that this allows us to create slots without cutting the board completely. Let's have a look. I convert this to 3D. I indicate the base face. And this is a result in 3D. This is a little slot I mentioned. You see that by using partial cuts, it is not cut completely, but the bottom layer of the reboard is still intact. Folding the creases, we can do that exactly the way we did it. With regular creases, select them and fold them into a 90-degree angle. Let's make this 90. This is how it looks for Reboard. Another interesting feature that can be used for Reboard is a new way of assembling different elements of a design. Quite often, elements are fit together by using tabs and slots. A new tool that we added is called the Snap Tab into Slot. Very easy to use, just click the first tab and the slot where it should arrive. Sometimes there are a few options or a few possibilities to mount them. For this way we have a next button where you can choose some different ways of mounting them together. This seems to be the best way, so I accept it. Let me just rotate this to a 90-degree angle, just to put it up straight. So now we can continue with our tablets or the shelves. Same way, just select one tab and the slots. Tab and the slots. This way you see that it's quite easy and much faster to assemble your Reboard designs by using the tab slot combination tool.